Should we love with the heart or with the mind? On one hand, loving with the heart means letting yourself be carried away by emotions, living intense and sincere moments. It's about diving in without a safety net, being surprised by love, and experiencing each moment to the fullest. The heart doesn't calculate. It feels, beats faster, and does crazy things without asking for permission. But on the other hand, loving with the mind means being cautious, analyzing situations, and ensuring that your romantic choices align with your values, goals, and well-being. The mind seeks to protect us from illusions, disappointments, and poor judgments by evaluating whether the relationship is truly healthy and sustainable. So, do we really have to choose? Perhaps the ideal is to find a balance, allowing the heart to express itself while also listening to what the mind has to say. Because, after all, it's this mix of passion and reason that makes love so rich.